Hi, for today's video is how to create a YouTube playlist. A playlist is a collection of videos. Anybody can make a playlist, share them, and friends can add videos to your playlist. You can go to the library tab to view all your playlists. You can also manage your playlists in your YouTube studio. You can either start a playlist with a video or from the library tab. So for example, this one, I already tapped the video, and then you can save it to playlist. And you can put the playlist, or you want a new playlist, you can do that also. So I'm gonna put it on the watch later. So if you want to make a new playlist, just tap new playlist in playlist. Then to add the playlist, select one or more videos from your watch history. Sample this one. And then just tap next. And give your playlist a title and set its privacy. You can make it public, unlisted, or private. So just click create. So to reorder playlist, just open the playlist and drag the video up or down the playlist. And if you want to delete a playlist, just go again to the library tab and tap the playlist you want to delete under the playlist section. And tap more on the upper right corner of the screen and click delete playlist. Just press delete. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!